We're very excited about AACR Project GENIE because it has enormous potential to advance precision cancer medicine.
Project GENIE is a rapidly growing consortium of cancer centers internationally. Essentially all of the patients who undergo DNA sequencing at each of these institutions are now represented in a unified database that allows us to gain new knowledge about the importance of these mutations and how patients do, how they respond to different treatments, what their survival is.
GENIE is actually riding the crest of what I think is the most high-impact wave that we know about in cancer medicine and cancer research.
The fact that we now bring that data together means that any doctor can go into the database and say, okay, some patients have the same profile, have been treated with a certain treatment, and it has been successful or not.
The only way we're going to be able to figure that out is to gather the largest amount of data possible so that when we ask questions, we can get results back with sufficient statistical power that we can draw inferences that are important.
And for a patient, GENIE is exciting because their experience can now be used to help others in a way that wasn't ever possible before. The makeup of their tumor and how that patient did with whatever treatments he or she received can be used to guide the next patient with that same type of tumor.
The GENIE project allows us to try to predict in the future how some of these abnormalities are going to impact cancer patients and then devise treatments to improve the outcomes for those patients.
GENIE is here to collect as much information to ultimately fulfill the promise of precision medicine. We also understand that we need to kind of have a global data sharing effort.
Project GENIE could not have been possible without the critical role of the American Association for Cancer Research, which serves as the convener of the various cancer centers. It builds the trust that each center has that their interests will be represented fairly in the consortium, and also provided the seed money to get everyone together and is setting the standards for this type of data sharing for the entire world.
It's been really wonderful to see all these institutions come together to form a very unique consortium for the good of cancer patients.